5 super drinks to improve your vision. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest health and wellness tips to help you live your best life. Today, we're focusing on a vital yet often overlooked aspect of our well-being. That is our vision. Maintaining good eye health is essential for our overall quality of life, as it significantly influences how we perceive and interact with the world around us. Our eyes are complex organs that not only provide sight but also contribute to our balance and regulate our circadian rhythms. Healthy vision is crucial for everyday tasks like reading, driving, and recognizing faces, all of which are key to daily functioning and safety. Moreover, conditions such as glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration can severely impact vision or even lead to blindness if not managed properly. Taking proactive steps to support eye health through proper nutrition, regular eye exams, and protective measures can prevent or delay the onset of these conditions, ensuring our vision remains clear and sharp throughout our lives. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 delicious and nutritious drinks that can help enhance and maintain your vision. Packed with antioxidants and essential vitamins, these beverages are easy to add to your daily routine. So grab a glass, sit back, and let's sip our way to better eye health. 1 blueberry smoothie. Anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for the vibrant color of blueberries, are known to enhance visual function. They aid in reducing inflammation and improving blood circulation in the eyes, which supports retinal health and overall eye function. Research indicates that the compounds in blueberries can protect nerve cells and enhance the functioning of the brain's visual cortex, which is responsible for processing visual information. This neuroprotective effect can improve visual clarity and perception. Additionally, chronic inflammation can damage eye tissues and contribute to conditions like age-related macular degeneration (AMD). The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries help reduce this risk by countering inflammatory processes in the body and eyes. Some studies indicate that the anthocyanins in blueberries can improve night vision and help the eyes adjust to darkness. This benefit is particularly valuable for people who have difficulty seeing in low light conditions. To make a blueberry smoothie, blend 1 cup of blueberries with 1 cup of spinach or kale, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk or yogurt, and a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. Blend until smooth and creamy, then serve immediately. 2 tomato juice. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant found abundantly in tomatoes, plays a crucial role in eye health by protecting the eyes from damage caused by ultraviolet and blue light exposure, which is particularly important for maintaining good vision as we age. Tomato juice also contains vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that helps shield the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation while supporting the health of the blood vessels in the eyes. Regular consumption of vitamin C is linked to a lower risk of developing cataracts, a condition that causes the eye's lens to become cloudy. Additionally, tomato juice contains lutein and zeaxanthin, though in smaller quantities, which also contribute to eye health by filtering harmful blue light and protecting the retina. Regular consumption of tomato juice, as part of a balanced diet, can contribute to the maintenance of good vision and overall eye health. However, it's essential to choose fresh, low-sodium versions of tomato juice to avoid excessive salt intake. 3 carrot juice. Carrot juice is widely recognized for its eye health benefits, particularly in enhancing vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a carotenoid that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low light conditions, as it is crucial for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps the eyes see in dim light. Additionally, vitamin A supports the immune system, which indirectly benefits eye health by protecting against infections and inflammation. Beta-carotene also serves as an antioxidant, shielding the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can contribute to eye conditions such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration (AMD). Consuming carrot juice regularly can provide a steady source of beta-carotene, which has been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. AMD is a common cause of vision loss in older adults, and antioxidants like beta-carotene can help mitigate this risk. A glass of carrot juice a day can provide a significant amount of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A. Carrot juice can be combined with other fruits and vegetables, such as oranges, ginger, or spinach, to enhance its flavor and nutritional profile. 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera contains essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium, along with amino acids. Zinc is especially crucial for eye health as it aids in converting vitamin A into a form that the eye can use and supports the production of melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. Aloe vera juice is hydrating, which benefits overall eye health by maintaining moisture on the eye's surface, crucial for comfort and clear vision. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera can help reduce eye inflammation, which can lead to conditions such as dry eyes and uveitis, inflammation of the middle layer of the eye. It's important to ensure that the aloe vera juice you consume is of high quality and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients, as some commercial products may contain preservatives or additives that diminish their health benefits. To make aloe vera juice, first, choose a fresh aloe vera leaf. Cut the leaf open lengthwise and scoop out the clear gel inside using a spoon. Ensure you avoid the yellowish part, as it can be bitter and potentially harmful. Blend the extracted gel with water in a blender until smooth. You can add lemon juice, honey, or other fruit juices for flavor if desired. 5. Spinach and kale smoothie. Spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are highly concentrated in the macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. These carotenoids act as natural filters, absorbing harmful blue light and protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and damage. Consuming them can lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and cataracts, which are common causes of vision loss. These leafy greens are also high in vitamins C and E, both of which are antioxidants that protect the eyes from free radicals and oxidative stress. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes, while vitamin E helps protect eye cells from damage. While spinach and kale are not the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, they do contain some, which contribute to retinal health and reduce inflammation, thereby lowering the risk of eye diseases. Regularly consume these smoothies to gain long-term benefits for your eyes. Blend fresh spinach and kale with fruits like bananas, apples, or berries to enhance the taste and add more vitamins. Include seeds like chia or flax seeds for extra omega-3 fatty acids and nuts for a healthy dose of vitamin E. Incorporating these super drinks into your daily routine is a delicious and easy way to boost your eye health. Remember, while these drinks can be beneficial, they're best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet rich in various nutrients. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Take care of your eyes and see you in the next video.